Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have a cotton wool extraction for you for this one. This patient's come through, used a cotton wool buds or Q-tip just to remove their wax or try and remove their wax, but the Q-tip's become lodged in the ear canal. So we're just removing this with a set of crocodile forceps. It's close to the outer part of the ear canal, so easy to remove. Just getting the grip on it, just slow and steady pressure pulling this out. There we are. Out he comes. Nice, quite a big, fair sized bit of cotton wool has come off the end. This is the wax they were trying to rectify, but obviously they've just pushed this in further because they've used a Q-tip. So we're just going in now to remove the drier wax. Getting a grip on the base. You can see some redness to the canal wall, some dryness there to the skin as well, where this cotton wool's been irritating and drying. There we are. See a white line down the side of it, there's a little bit of dry skin. One last piece to removing what they call the attic region, so the top of the eardrum. Be very gentle with this now as we're pulling this down, so I think the back end is just touching the drum itself. So try to be as gentle as we can to peel this away. There we go. And just take a look in there, and there's the eardrum. You can see a couple of little dry flaky bits of skin. And there we are. This is what we removed, so we can see quite a large chunk of cotton wool and the dry wax that was sitting behind it. These are the tools we used today. So we had the standard size ulnar tube and the crocodile forceps, just to give you some perspective of the size of the tools. I've been asked quite a lot to put those on. And as always guys, if you did like the video, then please like and share, and take care.